bacon burrito.
And loud up the time. So whenever you're ready, no rush.
You know what, guys? I'm still inside Cuba. I'm actually still on trail because this road that I'm walking on is the CDT. I'm on my way to the McDonald's. Snow is starting. It's not sticking, but I don't like it. And this is below 7,000 feet, so if you can only imagine what's happening at 10,000. Winter weather advisory. Look at all this. Bye-bye, McDonald's. Snowmo and Roadrunner. Look, it's the snowstorm. Well, actually, it's not. It's falling pretty heavy still. Not sticking. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Da 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 da. I am so messed up with the snow. Nobody's leaving Cuba today. Everybody's staying in town because it is snowing super hard. Da da da. Bad year for the CDT. Da da da. I am going stir crazy in Cuba. I need a beer. A beer. Okay. Shout out to my bro, David. Thank you so much for this beer. Snow beer. Oh my God, it's cold. Snow beer.
I don't like starting things I'm not going to finish.
What did she do? Nothing. I'm just filming you. All right, it's the snowstorm in Cuba with the beers and wraps.
Traffic code.
I love wraps. Wraps is like
Hi, Tony.
one of my favorite. So shout out to Tony. Thank you very much for the beer here in Cuba. This is a double white from Marble Brewing Company. They're from Albuquerque. I haven't tried this beer before. Oh yeah, I can really taste the spices in this. A lot of coriander, orange peel. It is not the best white beer I've ever had. I'd probably give it a mediocre run. But with the spices, it really elevates it a little higher than just bleh. So yeah, Marble Brewing Company, double white. Oh wait, was I not filming before?
Oh no!
No! I don't think I was. I just
do it again.
I just put on this lipstick because we've been in Cuba for like a million years.
So
and
what do you do in Cuba? You play with makeup.
you put on lipstick.
And you play Farkle. Woo!
Okay. We need to tell some ghost stories.
It's a synthetic coffee, so vegan wraps.
Vegan wraps.
Vegan wraps.
I need to tell you about there's a ghost. A ghost that haunts hikers. Hikers
So,
along the trail and eats their ramen.
oh, my belly hurts. My belly hurts.
Your belly hurts.
My red shirt.
I am inside McDonald's for the 9th time. The mountains are covered with snow. The trail is under snow. It was snowing pretty hard this morning on the way to McDonald's, but at least that has stopped. But it's still overcast and cold. Pretty cold. And wet. Very wet. There is a double down and smackdown. Looks like they're leaving. They have all their hiking stuff. Went out to run and give this hiker a hot potato wedge.
He's like,
For he's a jolly good fellow, he's
He's a jolly good fellow. Blah, 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 I can figure it.
It is hailing. It has been raining and hailing and snowing all day on and off.
Are they staying the night there or going up?
They are staying at the trail.
Get lucky, bobcat got a squirrel, and I'll be curious
So this is Happy Camper IPA. I had this down in Lordsburg. Thank you very much, Louise, for the beer. The final southbound walk back to the motel. Past the liquor store, past the chicken joint. There is the Del Prado Motel. Been here for a week. Look, all the snow has melted from the rain from today. So that's a good thing. Some of our friends did go through today and they were not having a good time in the snow and the mud. So I'm hoping things will be more dry tomorrow morning.